morning pumpkins, and it is a bright new day in Vagamon. I'm staying in this resort called Vale, and it's a very pretty resort because it's like covered. It has all these plants and then small cottages and tree plantations around. So that's pretty good. And I think I have my stamina is so low. We have a very packed first half of the day for Vagamon. We're gonna go around for some waterfalls, some viewpoints, some small trails. So let's see. I am pretty excited. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then karo na guys. Kya kar rahe ho? Subscribe karo. So our first stop for the day is Marmala Watefalls. So Marmala Watefalls के उधर तक जाता है generally गाड़ी. But since यहाँ पे एक महीने पहले बहुत बारिश की वजह से landslide हुई थी, so we're gonna like walk around 1.5 kilometers. But that's fine because it's very scenic, and I think all of these are covered by rubber trees. Because सारे trees पे you can see they are rings लगा के they are collecting rubber. So that's pretty cool. So we can now hear the waterfall and almost see it, and we're there. Wow! थोड़ा और excitement दिखाओ अपनी. Let's go Avni. So I met Avni like 3 days ago and I'm super obsessed with her, FYI. Okay, so this is the water here. And I'm just figuring out a way of how to enter it or see how deep it is. Because like मुझे पत्थर तो दिख रहे हैं, but I'm still a little skeptical. Okay, so I can see that there are rocks here, and मेरे कमर तक पानी आ रहा है, so it's definitely not that deep. I'm just gonna try and set up this rock here now. Fuck. Okay, ये बहुत slippery है. Okay, so अभी सब swimmers आ गए यहाँ पे एक करके. Yes, come on Booby, let's go. So we need to cross that cliff so that we can go beyond to the waterfall bed. पर वहाँ पे पत्थर है कि नहीं ये देखने के लिए हम अपने लॉन्डो को भेजेंगे. फेमिनिज्म नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. थोड़ा सी गांठ फट रही है. ये सब वीडियो में बोलेगी. रॉक देखने इसलिए में थक जा रहे हैं. थक जा रहे हैं वही हो रहा है. Holy crap! I cannot believe it. We actually made it. हम लोग बाहर से स्विमिंग करके यहाँ पे आए हैं. And even all of us made it. पानी का फ्लो बहुत ज़्यादा है. If you do not know how to swim, do not do this. Okay? Disclaimer max. Now we will do some diving, jumping, and go back to living, okay? So Marmala Falls is truly a hidden gem around here. It is about 1 hour from Vagamon, and पानी blue है, okay? I am pretty sure कि मेरे स्विमिंग के बहुत अच्छे फुटेजेस नहीं आए हैं बिकॉज यू नो द फ्लो वाज सो हाई. पर जब फ्लो कम होता है तब तुम लोग क्लिफ जंपिंग भी कर सकते हो वहाँ से बिकॉज द रॉक द वाटर इज़ डीप इनफ. बट A very important disclaimer, if you're not a good swimmer, please do not do this because पानी को genuine flow था and it is quite dangerous at times. Then if you are jumping in the waterfall, then it's always better to first assess कि पत्थर कहाँ तक है. पहले assess करो, फिर तुम्हें dive करना है, swim करना है, jump करना है, जो भी करना है करो. But other than that, it was so pretty and so beautiful. Also, since the only reason it is so pretty is because यहाँ पे लोग नहीं आते, तो अगर आप आ रहे हो तो रिस्पेक्ट करो जगह की, कचरा मत फेंकना, खराब मत करना और बहुत मज़े करना. So the next activity for my day is a jeep safari and jeep ride. But honestly, मैंने काफ़ी jeep safari कर ली है इस ट्रिप पे, पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ अब नहीं जा रही है इसके लिए मैं ये वाले बीच सफारी पे जा रही हूँ, वरना आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली कैंसल्ड इट. पर करना पड़ता है गाइस, करना पड़ता है. For your true love. Yeah. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Basically, you should take a jeep ride, come to this high point, soak in the green landscapes and feel good about the back pain. Okay, it was worth it. So इस सफारी में there are like 3 to 4 viewpoints and ऐसा पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे तुम रुक के देख सकते हो scenic beauty. Like overall only it's very pretty, so I think you can like choose to stop or not and have a nice time. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. This ends my trip to Vagamon and my entire journey to Kerala. Today I'm gonna take a train back to Mumbai. But before I go, यार मैं ना ज़्यादा fake नहीं हो पाती मेरे vlogs में. If I don't like a place, I don't like a place, and if I like a place a lot, I really hype it up. So if you are ever traveling to places or want to know more information about the places that I have traveled to, feel free to ask anything you want in the comments below. I would love to help you out with the things because after all that's what the channel is for, right? So that you get to explore places that I get to as well. So Kerala छोड़ के जाने का मन तो नहीं करा guys, but all good things come to an end and as tradition continues. This is Gavarchi Sheng and thank you so much for watching this video, and now like, share and subscribe. And for all your future trips, contact ये इसके लिए पैसे लिए हैं मैंने.